Good evening from Ynys Môn in Wales. They're going to be filming scenes for House of the Dragon in this forest over the coming days. And they're also going to be filming on the beach, which is just behind me here. The film crew is not here yet, but I understand that some props have been spotted not far from here. Even though many people watching this are going to know where I am, but I'm not going to disclose the exact location. There's been a lot of issues with traffic going to and from the beach recently, and it's making the life of the villagers next to the beach, it's making their lives a misery. So if you do come here, try and come midweek and try and avoid July and August and the bank holidays. I'm here midweek and it's not too busy. There's maybe 150 people at most in the distance there. I've been informed that they're putting together a post-battle set here, including the wreckage of a ship. They filmed a lot of season 2 of House of the Dragon in this area back in the summer of 2023, including on this beach. And even though I make filming locations videos on this channel, I must have been asleep at the wheel at the time because I didn't make any videos about it. But this time I'm on it like a tramp on chips. This is the third video in a row. I can see some of the props in the distance. Sadly, they seem to have covered some of it with plastic. Oh wow, cool. There's a box full of arrows there. If you look to the right and behind the arrows, there's spears. Some more here. This is definitely part of the ship then. I thought that rock was real, but it's a prop. So you can see underneath it on the left hand side. Some more burnt timbers here. There's a door there. I guess that must be like a door from the ship, I guess. Ah, okay. This would be like the, I don't know what you would call it, like a face in front of a ship, if you know what I mean. That's something you're definitely going to spot in the TV show when it comes out. Just a little bit further along the beach I can see some more props. Seems to be something over here as well, even though there's no barrier around it. Check that out first. Okay, these will be part of the set as well, or props. So I'm not sure what this is. Is it like a window or something on the boat? Look at the detail on this. It's another part of the boat. There's a big pile here, let's go and see just in case there's something interesting. Another one of those. I'll check those out in a second. There seems to be loads of these. Look at the detail here again. Oh wow. Baskets here. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Do you know if are they going to be using a helicopter to film at all?
I'm not sure about that. Might be.
Oh wow, look at this, bow and arrows. Long bows. More arrows there. Ropes and nets from the boat. The remains of a barrel there.
Guy said this is a Game of Thrones 3 series being filmed around the area.
There's one or two things I missed, just have a quick look. I think I've seen everything then. Just go round to have a better look at this. It's amazing how much work goes into these things. Just a little bit more here. Okay, the drone's up. The area that I was just at is just in the middle of the screen there. If I just go across to show you where the other props were. The others were there, so they're going to be filming in all of this area, I guess then.
Max altitude reached.
See the rest of the props there. Just go back so you can see what an amazing view there is here. This is a tidal island. Don't think they're filming anything here, but I'll just check. Just want to check by the forest here in case there's anything else. I'm not sure if they're filming in this area or not. Well, there seems to be some orange barriers there. Yeah, I think maybe they're just parking the vehicles there, maybe. Ah, yeah. Is there some kind of marquee there? Hard to say. These are the props that I passed earlier. Bloody hell, this guy's flying a bit low.